What's up, guys? Today I've come with my new strategy. So it's very simple. So before we start, I would like you to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. And also don't forget to turn on your notifications when I upload new videos. So without much, let's get started. So today, what we're gonna be doing is very simple. It's called a trend line strategy. So what you need to do is just basically just draw trend lines. So let's get started. So as you can see, you need an area chart. So once you're on an area chart, click a 1 minute time frame. And actually, this strategy only works for your Android devices or your iPhone. I've shown this other strategy for the PC in my previous video. I'll leave it down in the description below. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is basically just draw your trend line. So I'm gonna draw a trend line right here. So sorry. So basically, we're gonna drag the trend line. But I think my device is a little bit bumpy, so I'm gonna flip it. So let's go. So once you draw your trend line, I hope you can see this well. So once you draw your trend line like this, make sure it touches 3 points, or is at least very close to 3 points on the line. So as you can see, it's very close to this, this, and this. Let me read out this, this, and this. So once you draw your 3 points, once the moving line, the area track crosses, once it crosses the trend line down, so you're gonna make a downtrade with an expiration time of 2 minutes. You understand what I'm saying? Let me flip it back so you can see well. So once it crosses down, I don't know, I can't seem to draw this on the landscape mode, so let's just use the portrait. So let's check another. So I'm gonna choose this 82%. So you can see the problem with this strategy is you have to wait for a signal, and that might take a while. So you have to be very careful. Make sure the point is touching at least three points on your chart. So once it crosses, well, you can see this is gonna take a while before it crosses. So we're just gonna move to another asset. Sorry. So as you can see, guys, let me show you this one. But this is not a signal, it's just an example. So you can see, guys, really close to this, really close to this, really close to this, and immediately crossed down here. It went down for 2 minutes. So you can see, guys, this strategy is 100%. So let's check another. So guys, I hope you like this strategy. It works 100%. There's no loss in this strategy. You always win. So I just want to make a trade. I want to look for signal to make a trade. All this looks very promising, but I think we're a little bit late. We're a little bit late for the signal. So I'm gonna touch this, this, and this. Yeah, guys, we're late for the signal. We should have taken the signal here, and we would have won. So let's check this. The reason for me looking for a signal is for you guys, so you can see the strategy works 100%. So you can see, guys. Also here it came down for 2 minutes. Immediately crossed the equilibrium up for 2 minutes. even though it wasn't that a showing, but it's certain. So you can see the strategy is 100%. So all I want to do is make a trade so you guys can see, but we can't seem to find any signals. So let's just continue searching. So guys, I release new videos every Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays. Still subscribe to the channel, and if you like the video, just leave a like. And if you have any questions about the strategy, you can leave a comment down below. So it's very easy, very simple. So also there's gonna be a giveaway very soon once I reach my 100 subscriber. So the 100 subscriber giveaway. So you can see guys, we're having a signal here, but it's not a signal guys, it's touching just 1 and 2. But if we had made early, if you made the signal here, it would have crossed down here 2 minutes, we would have won. But we lost trade. So guys, I think that should be it because we don't seem to find any signals. But I think it should be good. If you have any questions at all, leave a link down, leave a question down in the comment section. So I'll leave a link down my Telegram channel. Looks like we have a signal here. If you have any questions, contact me on my Telegram. So this is the signal to win down trade. So let's see. Guys, like and subscribe to the channel. It will help a lot. So let's wait. Let's just wait for the 2 minutes. So just to see you can also switch to this. We'll see. Switch to this, switch to this. So wait. So we wait. So let's wait. 100% guys, the trade will come, so don't have fear. Just wait for it. Don't fear guys, you can see the trade is already coming. So guys, as you can see, the trade came. As you can see, the trade came and it was 100%. So like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be uploading new videos very soon. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.